What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a bike review on the new Specialized Crossroads 3.0. And before we get into it, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. Let's get into it. Alright guys, as you can see, it's a comfort bike and it helps you stay in a comfortable, upright riding position. And this is a size small frame, so it's good for anybody between 4'8" and 5'4". Alright guys, this bike is a low entry bike geared for female riders, and they also have a men's version, which the top bar goes from this area to about the seat clamp. And we got the female version for my mom so she can ride with us on the roads and like in gravel paths. And we got her the 3.0 because the 3.0 has hydraulic disc brakes and a carbon fork, which makes it lighter and easier to put like on top of a car roof, carry upstairs, or like carry it anywhere. So this bike has Shimano MT200 brakes and the rotors are 160 millimeters. On the 2.0 you have mechanical disc brakes, and on the 1.0 you have V pinch brakes. Alright guys, we bought this bike in a storm gray color, which is pretty awesome in my opinion. The seat is the Specialized gel saddle, and the seat post is spring loaded. But it doesn't do a whole lot. Alright guys, this bike comes with a 42 tooth chainring. It's a 1x9, which means there's 9 gears in the back and 1 gear in the front. This cassette is ranging from an 11 to a 42 tooth cassette. It comes with a Shimano Olivio derailleur, which is pretty accurate for changing the gears. And this little plastic thing does great of keeping the chain on the chainring. This bike comes with the Nimbus Armadillo tires. These tires come in the 700 by 38C size. This reflector around the edge of the tire helps with night visibility. Speaking of reflectivity, the name Specialized Crossroads and 3.0 are all reflective, which helps cars see you better. This bike comes with the alloy uprising bars with the body geometry grips and this nice little dial which tells you what gear you're in. This has a specialized neck, and it also has through frame cabling. This back brake goes through here and out right at the bottom, and then this front brake goes right through the fork. If you guys have any other questions about the bike, make sure you comment down below and we'll be sure to reply to you guys. Alright, I'm out of here.